Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, let's take a screenshot of the settings list, and then you have to press combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, like this, and screenshot will be taken. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. You can also take screenshot by going to the upper bar here, and here you have this button screenshot. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in the screenshots album here. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.